this is not just a comparison. This is Huawei splitting its own lineup into two completely different experiences. The new Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is lighter, smarter, and finally feels premium with major upgrades in display, materials, and health tracking. But then comes the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro, a serious, powerful smartwatch built for long battery, advanced sports tracking, and real outdoor performance. So the real question is, do you go for modern and lightweight or powerful and long-lasting? Let's break it down: design, build, and display. Right away you can feel the difference. The Watch Fit 5 Pro is designed for comfort and everyday wear. It keeps that slim rectangular design but now upgrades to a titanium bezel and sapphire glass, making it feel much more premium than before. It's lightweight at around 30 grams and very easy to wear all day. The Watch GT 6 Pro goes in a completely different direction. It has a classic round watch design with a stronger, more rugged body built using premium materials like titanium and sapphire. It feels heavier and more solid, clearly made for durability and outdoor use. On the display side, the Fit 5 Pro actually stands out more. It comes with a larger 1.92-inch AMOLED display with up to 3000 nits brightness, making it extremely bright and easy to use outdoors. The GT 6 Pro also has a high-quality AMOLED display, but the focus is more on durability and outdoor visibility rather than size. Battery life. This is where things change completely. The Watch Fit 5 Pro gives you around 7 to 10 days of battery, which is strong for a lightweight smartwatch. But the Watch GT 6 Pro is on another level. It can go up to around 2 weeks or even longer depending on usage, making it one of the best in battery performance in this category. So if battery is your priority, the GT 6 Pro clearly wins. Connectivity. Both watches support Bluetooth calling, notifications, and work with both Android and iOS. The Watch Fit 5 Pro includes dual-band GPS, Bluetooth, and smart features like voice recording and basic connectivity tools. The Watch GT 6 Pro expands on this with better outdoor connectivity, more stable GPS tracking, and support for advanced training accessories. So overall, one is simple and everyday focused, while the other is built for more serious use. Key features. This is where the difference becomes very clear. The Watch Fit 5 Pro focuses on balance and usability. You get a big display, lightweight design, upgraded sensors, and improved fitness tracking all in a compact form. It's built for daily life, workouts, and convenience. The Watch GT 6 Pro is built for performance. It includes advanced sports features like route tracking, running analysis, cycling data, and even specialized modes like diving and trail running. It feels more like a professional sports watch than just a smartwatch. Health and fitness features. Both watches are strong when it comes to health tracking. The Watch Fit 5 Pro now includes upgraded sensors, ECG support, temperature tracking, and improved heart rate accuracy, making it a big upgrade over previous Fit models. The Watch GT 6 Pro goes further with more detailed health insights, higher accuracy tracking, and deeper fitness analysis. It is designed for users who want serious data, not just basic tracking, so the difference is clear. Fit 5 Pro is great for everyday health tracking. GT 6 Pro is built for advanced fitness users. Price comparison. The Watch Fit 5 Pro is priced around $322, making it a strong value option with premium features. The Watch GT 6 Pro sits higher, around $400 to $450 depending on the variant, which reflects its more advanced features and build. Final verdict. If you want something lightweight, modern, and perfect for everyday use with strong features, the Watch Fit 5 Pro is the better choice. But if you want maximum battery, stronger build quality, and advanced fitness tracking for serious use, the Watch GT 6 Pro is clearly the more powerful option.